This is three-section breathing. With three-section breathing, what we are doing is stacking the breath from the bottom of the rib cage up to the top of the shoulders. So to begin, you'll take a deep breath in and you will only move the lower portion of your ribs and your abdomen in the breath. This is section number 1. For section number 2, you will breathe in to fill the lower ribs and abdomen, and you will also come up to mid-chest. So we're here. That's section number 1. Section number 2, filled through to here. For section number 3, we will stack 1, 2, and then 3 on top of one another. So section number 1, section number 2, and section number 3.